Hi children, what do we see around us? We see plants, trees, hills, rivers, waterfall. We have nature all around us. We go to sea beach, we go to hillside, we go to riverside, we go to park. The bounty of nature attracts us. Nature is beautiful. Nature is enchanting. We all the children of nature. Here I have related pictures too. Let us know these words one by one with their meaning and examples. The first word is here canal. Canal means a deep cut that is made through land so that boats or ships can travel along it, or water can to flow an area where it is needed. Example, we walk along by the side of the canal. We walked along by the side of the canal. Next, bridge. You know what a bridge is? It built across a river. It gives connectivity. We have crossed this bridge before. One more example. The new bridge has been finished 2 years ahead of schedule. The new bridge has been finished 2 years ahead of schedule. Schedule means another word for timetable. Railways have their own schedule. In our school, we have our own timetable. Schedule means another word for timetable. Next, dam. Dam means a tall wall built across a river to hold back the water from a lake behind it. Example, a new dam is now being built. A new dam is now being built. Next, lighthouse. Lighthouse means a tall wall, a tall building with a light at the top to warn or guide ships near the coast. Example, the light flashed out from the little lighthouse. The light flashed out from the little lighthouse. Next, island. Island, a piece of land that is surrounded by water all sides. Example, the island was originally circular in shape. The island was originally circular in shape. Now it has turned an oval shape. Next, bay. Bay means a part of coast where land goes in to form a curve. Example, the bay was full of yachts with billowing sails. The bay was full of yachts with billowing sails. Billowing means to fill with air and move in the wind. Example, smoke billowed from the chimneys. Next, river bank. A river bank is the land above the edge of a river. Example, he had been walking on the river bank observing a high tide. He had been walking on the river bank observing a high tide. Next, beach. Beach means an area of sand or small stones beside the sea. Example, the house is clearly visible from the beach. The house is clearly visible from the beach. Next, land. Land means the solid parts of the surface of the earth. Example, The park borders my land on 3 sides. The park borders on my land on 3 sides. Next, meadow. Meadow means a field of grass. Example, this meadow epitomizes the beauty of the whole area. This meadow epitomizes the beauty of the whole area. Epitomizes, to be typical of something. Epitomizes means to be typical of something. Let's continue with nature words too. The first word is here sea. Sea means the salt water that covers the most surface of the earth. Example, being on sea, sail. Being on land, settle. Being on sea, sail. Being on land, settle. Fish have to sail in water, but man has to settle down on land. Next, ocean. Ocean means a mass of salt water that covers most of the surface of the earth. Example, we have a clear view of the ocean from our hotel window. We have a clear view of the ocean from our hotel window. Next, hill. Hill means a high area of land that is not as high as a mountain. Example, it's easier to run down the hill than go up. It's easier to run down the hill than go up. Next, forest. Forest means it is a land that covered with trees. Forest means an area of land that covered with trees. Example, they went on a 10-mile hike through the forest. They went on a 10-mile hike through the forest. Next, coast. Coast means the area of land that is next to or close to the sea. Example, he lived on the east coast of the United States. He lived on the east coast of the United States. Next, desert. Desert means a large area of land usually covered with sand that is so hot and has very little water and very few plants. Example, the desert is so arid that nothing can grow there. The desert is so arid that nothing can grow there. Arid means very dry. Arid means very dry. Next, dune. Dune means a low hill of sand in the sea or in the desert. A low hill of sand by the sea or in the desert. Example, the sand massed to form a dune. The sand must form a dune. Next, cliff. Cliff means a high, very steep area, especially one next to the sea. Steep means at the sharp angle. Steep means at the sharp angle. Example, it was pretty hairy climbing down the cliff. It was pretty hairy climbing down the cliff. Next, glacier. Glacier means a mass of ice that moves slowly slowly down a valley. Example, the glacier caught a large iceberg. The glacier caught a large iceberg. The last word is here, park. Park means an open area in town, often with grass or trees, where people can go to walk or play. Example is, the students of 10 picnic at the park. The students of 10 picnic at the park. Thank you.